Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Let's look at Schlumberger here, and this ain't going to take too long. Look, this stock, along with so many other stocks in the energy space, had been working really nicely, very nicely, up since this breakout here. It ran up here and then pulled back. So if we just go back and look at 40 bucks, when this stock broke out to a new high, it ran really nicely for Schlumberger, for Schwab, for Halliburton. These things don't move this fast. 37% in a matter of a month. That's a pretty big move. But then when you look at what's happening to energy in general, okay, they're all kind of doing the same thing. This is not where you want to be. We'll say energy has lost its energy. Pardon the pun, that was really bad. So what are we going to do here? Okay, don't buy Schlumberger, right? All right, that's the end of it. No, not really. This is what you should consider doing. This is a decisive break below the 50-day moving average. I'm pretty sure what this is not going to do is that. Stocks like this don't do that. Some stocks do, but just not this one. And so what I'm expecting is maybe the stock has another down day. Maybe it has one more, but ultimately, I think you're going to see this stock start to run back up. Just like you saw here, I just got done doing our premium video and I was showing some of this stuff. Just like Tesla, same thing. It fell, it broke hard, and then it's running up. CrowdStrike, same deal. Falls down and then it comes back up. CRM. Fell back down, fell here, drifted a little bit. Now it's trying to come back up. So if we look at Schlumberger, you got to expect the same thing. And that is see the stock at some point start to come back higher. Now, this would be my trade. When the stock comes up here, hopefully it will. It'll get closer to 50 bucks. And when it does, the stock comes up very close to 50 bucks. And then the first time it starts to do that, come up and then starts rolling over, that's actually when you want to short the stock. And you can short the stock there, and then what you would be doing in order to cover your asterisk, you want to make sure you're not losing a bunch of money. If you're wrong, you short the stock up here when it pulls off of the 50, and then you put a buy stop just a little bit above it. So that's how I would be trading Schlumberger, but you do want to be careful that this is, it's not in a downtrend. I would classify this as a broken stock. It's not badly broken, but it's a broken stock, and I do think it's shortable, not from here, but for a little bit higher level, if and when then it fails. So that's all I got for you. Hope you're having a great weekend. I'll see you next week.